your body gonna want. Give it to me sharply.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this high bun with curly bangs on natural hair, and I'm actually not going to be leaving any of my hair out. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So I put my hair in a loose puff just to be able to gel it up. For this style you actually do not need your hair to be like super sleek, so feel free to make your bun as tight or as loose as you wish. So after using my Eco Styler gel to put my hair into a high bun, I'm just going to secure that with a hairband, and I'm just going to do my edges very minimal because my edge is actually not going to show since I'll be covering it with the clip-ins, and I'm just going to tie it down for a bit while I do my makeup so my hair can set in place. So after doing my makeup, my hair is pretty much set, and I'm just going to be using another hairband to hold that bun in place. Now I'm going to be going in with my clip-ins from Natural Girl Wigs, and I'm just going to begin to clip this around the bun I made with my actual hair. And I believe I used only 3 pieces of clip-ins for the bun piece. I'm just clipping them into the bun and clipping it around the bun just to kind of get some more volume. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to wrap this around into an actual bun, and it's a bit messy now, but I actually go ahead and like fix it up later. So after the bun is complete, I'm going to be taking one piece of a 2-clip in, and I'm just going to try and clip that underneath the bun. Try to hide the clips like under the bun so it doesn't show. And at first I thought I was going to use just one, but I decided to use 2. And I took some of the hair from the edges just to wrap around the bun to further conceal the clips. That way you don't see any of the clips at all, and it also reduces the amount of hair you have in the bang, and that makes it look a bit more natural. So now I'm just snipping away just a little bit of hair. I didn't really cut this hair, to be honest. The length was perfect, and I'm just going to be defining it a little bit with my Cantu curling cream. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the finished look. After this I just molded it in place, just made it like look the way I wanted it to look, and this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next year actually. Have a happy new year, and God bless you.